Hi guys, in today's episode I'm going to show you on how to install the latest Python version, Python 3.11.1 on Windows operating system. So let's dive in. So I'll go to my web browser and type Python download. So once I'm there, I'll go right to the official website, which is download Python, python.org, www.python.org. So I'll click there. And here we have download the latest version of Python. So I'll click. So I have download the latest version for Windows. So I'll click download. So it will actually take a while. The downloading is done and it's about 24.6 MB, and it took me about 5 minutes to download. So let's go ahead. So normally I just cut this and put it in my software folder. Now I'll go ahead to install that. So in my installation, I'm going to click on the add python.exec to path, and then click on customize installation because I want to choose the location. And next, the optional features, I'm going to take all through and click on next. And then install Python 3.11 for all users. I'm going to say yes. Okay, so at this point, I want to change the location. So I'm going to go ahead and do that on my drive E. Okay, so I'll click, then I'll say install. So do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. Okay, so the setup was successful. So I'll just go ahead and click on Windows and R and type CMD. So my CMD, I can go ahead to check the Python version. So this is to tell me the Python version, which is Python 3.11.1. And also I can simply try to print by saying print hello world. Yeah, so that was done successfully. How about we going on to the IDLE? So if we click that, we can go ahead to say print hello world. Yeah, so that was done successfully. Okay, so even if we want to create a file and then run it, so let's say file, let's say new file. From new file, we can store, let's say x equals to 6 and y equals to 9. And then we'll say print x plus y. So we'll just go here and then save the file. So we'll say save the file. Let's call the file code.py. Then we save it. So we'll just go ahead to run it. we'll go to run module, or we can simply press F5. That was successful. So 6 plus 5 is already 15. So we can see the output. So thanks for staying and watching through to this point. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Also, remember to click the notification bell so as to get updated on forthcoming videos. So bye guys, I'm signing off now.